How to get rid of belly fat with apple cider vinegar. 1. Belly fat is a common problem in modern times which is caused by having too much insulin in the body. Insulin is a hormone which the body makes to process sugars. 2. Many of us eat too many sugary foods and processed carbohydrates, which triggers insulin and creates belly fat. 3. In today's video, we will share with you a natural remedy using apple cider vinegar to lose belly fat quickly and naturally. You will need 250 milliliters of water, 2 teaspoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Method: add the ingredients to a glass and stir well. Drink this mixture before every single meal that you eat. 4. The apple cider vinegar water will strengthen your stomach and help you to digest foods that you eat. 5. Most people who have belly fat also have an alkaline stomach. This means that the stomach has too high a pH level. The apple cider vinegar brings the stomach back to its natural level of acidity, which allows it to break down foods more effectively. 6. If you have an alkaline stomach, you may experience acid reflux, indigestion, a burning sensation in the chest, and stiff joints. This drink works to cure these problems in a matter of weeks. 7. The water has an unpleasant taste, so you may wish to add some freshly squeezed berry juice and lemon juice to make it more palatable. 8. You should also reduce the amount of sugar and carbohydrates that you eat. This will begin to melt away belly fat at an amazing speed. 9. The apple cider vinegar is known as an appetite suppressant. This means that you will be less likely to crave junk foods throughout the day. 10. We also recommend adding apple cider vinegar to your salad dressings with a little virgin olive oil. This is very tasty and works well on leafy greens. 11. Consuming this liquid often helps the body to control its blood sugar levels, which is important as high blood sugar causes the body to make fat. 12. To improve your weight loss efforts, we recommend intermittent fasting. This is where you eat all of your meals within a short 5-hour window during the day. This gives the body another 19 hours to digest and tap into its fat reserves. To learn more about weight loss and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.